SUVs are everywhere right now, sedans not so much. But which one is actually better for you? Most people compare sedans and SUVs with the same old arguments. Like SUVs are higher and safer, sedans are better on fuel. Yeah, you have heard all of that, but today I will show you real reasons why to choose one over other, including a few that you never even think about. And the last point, it might actually change how you see your current car. If you are new here, hit subscribe and let's dive in. I'll start with obvious pros everyone knows. Let's get the basics out of the way. SUVs, higher driver position, easy entry and exit, more ground clearance, often feel safer on rough roads. Sedans, better fuel economy, lower price, better handling and easier to park in tight spots. Sounds simple, right? Well, not quite, because next are the things no one tells you. Fatigue and ride comfort. SUVs feel powerful, but they are not always more comfortable. I'm about that higher seat. It also means more vertical movement. On rough roads, it shakes your spine more than sedan. So, if you do long drives, a sedan might be actually easier for your back. Number 3. Safety and the illusion of it. People often say that SUVs are safer and they look more protective, but in reality, handling in emergency situations, SUVs have a higher center of gravity. And that's not just a phrase. It feels they are more likely to tip or lose control. During sudden moves means higher risk of rollover. In a crash, sedans sometimes perform better thanks for better handling. Plus, studies show that people drive an SUV more aggressively, thinking they are protected. Next one, SUVs might look cool on the road, but try squeezing one into a tight parking space. Not so fun. They are taller, wider and harder to fit in most standard spots. Smaller driveways, underground garages, tight city corners, they all become more stressful. Meanwhile, sedans usually slip in without drama. No need to fold your mirrors or pray you don't scrape your bumper. Number 5. Off-road dreams, on-road reality. Guys, let's be honest, most SUVs never leave the pavement. They might look tough, but if it's front-wheel drive only, no real off-road tech. It's just a tall hatchback in hiking boots. And if you don't actually need ground clearance, all you are paying is for look. SUVs burn more fuel, that you know, but also higher insurance rates, more expensive tires, repairs can cost more. Even within the same model family like the Toyota Corolla, the SUV version Toyota Cross costs more than the sedan. So you are literally paying extra just for the higher ride. And bonus, SUVs often cost more at car wash. Nothing complex, more surface, higher price. 7. Resale value. Who wins? Here is a surprise. Sedans like Toyota Camry or Mazda 6, they hold value really well. Meanwhile, some fancy crossovers lose 30–40% in just 3 years. Don't let the hype fool you, depreciation matters. SUVs and sedans both have their place, no question. So, are you team SUV or a team of sedans? Let me know in comments. Don't miss out, subscribe for more.